Hello student, welcome to the next video of Business Studies class 12, and now we are going to start new lesson, that is staffing, and it is lesson 6. So student, as we know, this is one of the function of management, means planning, organizing, uh, staffing. So as you have studied, we plan, then we organize things, but planning has been done, organize the things also, but who is actually going to do the task? Yes, human being. So now one needs to hire person to get the desired goal, and this is what staffing is. So meaning of staffing says that staffing has been described as the managerial function of filling and keeping fill the positions in the organization structure. Staffing is process of recruiting right people for the right job. So being a person which is working for the organization is most important asset who is working for the organization. Student, always remember that two company of the same infrastructure, only they differ from each other on the basis of their skilled and efficient and capable manpower employees. Therefore, staffing is also very much important, because a capable, skilled, efficient person or employees can make their company number one. Because if the employees are not good, they are not competent, then company will be of no use. So, means staffing is recruiting right person for the right job. Now, let's see the importance of staffing. So, there are almost 5 importance of staffing, and they are: first, filling the role by obtaining competent personnel; higher performance; continuous survival and growth; optimum utilization of human resources; and improves job satisfaction and knowledge. So, the first point, filling the role by obtaining competent personnel. Proper staffing helps in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. So, as we all know that there are various jobs in the organization, and for a particular job, a particular uh, qualification is required. Thus, by competent personnel means right person for the right job. Then high performance. Proper staffing ensures higher performance by putting right person on the right job. So with the help of staffing, we can achieve higher performance. And how this higher performance is possible? Because when one has assigned right person for right job, means with the help of staffing we are doing these things, then definitely one doing the same work will lead to high performance of the organization. Then continuous survival and growth. Proper staffing ensures continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. So when the employees are giving high performance, and how they are getting high performance, we have already discussed in the second point. So it will ultimately lead to the organizational survival in this changing, that is dynamic environment. And also an organization will grow with the effort of its employees, with the effort of its efficient employees only, isn't it? Then the next point says that optimum utilization of human resources. So it prevents underutilization and overmanning of personnel, and thus reduces labor cost. As in staffing, it helps in employing proper human resources in the organization. We have already seen right person, right job, clear? So with the help of staffing, one can find out number of employees and types of employees required in the organization. So there is no chance of over or under, that is shortage of personnel, and hence optimum utilization of human resources are there. It is only possible. Then the last point of importance, higher job satisfaction. It improves job satisfaction and morale of the employee. So how it is possible? Like as you have seen that staffing, it is part of human resource, which we are going to discuss in the next slide. And they are also motivating the employees, and a part of that they will also be able to know the performance of each and every employee. And if they find any employees working hard, then definitely they are going to compensate them. And what will happen because of that? So because of this, it will help in motivating the employees and boosting up their morale of the employees, because student is always possible when recognition has been given, then definitely the person they get more motivated, isn't it? So this is all about staffing and its importance. So student, I hope you like this video, and please do like, share and comment, and means in any doubt you can comment and ask and clear your doubts also. And please subscribe the channel if you have not yet done. Thank you and take care.